Hey guys, hope that you had a great weekend. We're going to start off the week by identifying an outlier and describing the effect of removing it. On IXL, it's going to be KK.4 and KK.5. So the first thing we want to do is we go over what an outlier is. So it's a data value that is much greater than or much less than all the other values in a data set. So if we're starting with problem number one, you'll notice that you're given a list of numbers and then you want to identify the outlier. So if we're looking at these are all about 70 to 90, but then you have this one that's 5. So we definitely would want to say that the outlier is 5. And then on number 2, you'll notice that all the numbers kind of look in the range of 400 to 500-ish. Be very careful that you accidentally don't pick this 308 because I probably would have done that if I didn't look carefully. And the outlier is actually 914. So make sure you look through them all carefully. All right, so that's identifying an outlier. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to identify an outlier and describe the effect of removing it. Let's see if this pops up here. Here we go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to select the outlier in the data set. So if you're looking at the data here, we have 12, 13, 17, 24, 33, 67, 74, 86, and 906. So let's say, for example, I surveyed, let's see how many people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people, and I asked them, how many t-shirts do you own? So one person said 12, the next person said 13, and so on, and then there's one person that said 906. So the first thing you want to do is you want to select the outlier, which obviously is 906. So then my next question is, if the outlier were removed from the data set, would the mean increase or decrease? Remember that mean is average. So I want to know the average number of t-shirts that those students have. So I want to know an average number. So I want to know if it increases or decreases if I take that outlier out. Well, the first thing I need to do is I need to actually find the mean of the data given. So what I'm going to do is, remember, you add them all together and then divide by how many are in the set. So I would go ahead and get 1 in 37. So that means that like the average person has 137 t-shirts. But we are looking at this data and that's definitely not correct. So now if I take out that outlier of 906, we would then add up 12 to 86 and then divide by 8 because there's going to be 8 numbers. And the mean without the outlier would be 41. So we can definitely tell that our outlier, if it's removed from the data set, the mean would definitely decrease, okay? So it would definitely decrease. Remember that I have office hours Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 10:30 to 11. Otherwise, you can email me and we can meet up on Google Meet pretty much anytime. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope that you have a great week, and that is it.